Students, let's understand how to rotate with masking effect. Open a new file by clicking the File, then New option. Import an image to the stage by selecting the File, then Import to Stage. Select the free transform tool and drag the image to fit in accordance with the stage. Right-click on the frame 60 and select the Insert Frame option from the displayed list. Rename the image layer as Nature. Lock the Nature layer. Add one more layer by clicking the New Layer button. Name the layer as Star Mask. Select the Star Mask layer and draw a star on frame 1 by selecting the Polystar tool. Click the Options tab under the Tool Settings section. Select the star style from the Tool Settings box. Define the number of sides and click OK. Select the fill color either from the Properties panel or from the Tools panel with no stroke color. Draw the star at the center of the image. Click on the Selection tool and select the star. Convert the star into the symbol by pressing F8 key. Define graphic behavior and type the name star in the name box. Click OK. Select the free transform tool and reduce the size of the star. You can also reduce the size of the star by pressing the Ctrl plus Alt plus S key combination. Right-click on frame 60 and select the Insert Keyframe option from the context menu. Now increase the size of the star in frame 60. Right-click in between the frame 1 and frame 60 and select the Create Twin option. In the Property Inspector, select the CW option in the Rotate field under the Twinning section. Right-click on the Star Mask layer and select the Mask option. Press Ctrl plus Enter or select Ctrl then Test Movie then Flash Professional to play the movie. Okay students, let's talk about onion skinning. The onion skin feature allows you to see a faint ghost image of the previous frame, which helps you in placing the image for the next frame. By clicking the onion skin option, you can see several frames before and after the current frame. In Flash CS6, you can choose between the following two types of onion skinning. Onion skin. It shows the frame in full color. Onion skin outlines. This option displays only the outlines of the object in the frames. Observe when you select the onion skin option, the frame on which you are working appears in full color while the surrounded selected frames appear dimmed. Let us try at hand. Click on the onion skin or onion skin outlines button at the bottom of the timeline. Drag the markers above the timeline to view multiple frames at once. This will display all the frames superimposed over each other. Alright students, let me tell you how to create an animation by using onion skin. Open a new file. Draw an elephant as shown in the figure. Select the onion skin button. Right-click on the frame 2 and select the Insert Keyframe option from the context menu. Choose the Selection tool and double-click on the elephant. Move the elephant slightly. Click on the stage to deselect the elephant. Now place the arrow near to the trunk of elephant. When you get an angle symbol below the arrow, drag the trunk to a different angle. Repeat the same steps for the feet of the elephant. Click on the frame 3 and press F6 to insert a keyframe. Again, repeat the above procedure to give movement to the trunk and feet of the elephant. Repeat the steps to insert keyframes from frame 4 to 20. Make changes in each new frame. Select the control, then loop playback so that you can see the animation repeatedly. Select the control, then play to view the animated effect on the elephant. To stop the movement, select the control, then stop option. Students, let's know more. To reduce the speed of animation, click the frame rate field in the property inspector and define the number less than 12. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Layers are like multiple transparent sheets that can hold objects and are stacked on the top of each other. An active layer is highlighted in the timeline and is indicated with the pencil icon. The order of the layers on the timeline determines the order of the different objects appearing on the stage. Mask in Flash is a way to selectively hide and display the content on a layer. The onion skin feature allows you to see a faint ghost image of the previous frame. In Flash, there are two types of onion skinning: the onion skin and the onion skin outlines.